Hello everyone, this is Gayatri from Rangoon Studio, and today I'm here to talk about a brand called Miles, which is from KGOC. They make different types of tools which are very helpful in creating different DIYs from your homes and offices. Currently I'll be using Miles Gun Tacker TP10 to create these beautiful wooden coasters using domino modes. Other than this gun tacker, they make pneumatic tools, tape tools, staples, industrial fasteners, stitching wires and staple removers, which are very useful for creating DIYs. We made this beautiful coaster using only one tool, TP10 gun tacker, and this looks amazing, right? Do give it a try. Thank you.